Hey there, it's Jeannie. I love unicorns, so I decided to draw one and show you how to do it too. If you're a fan of unicorns like me, then you can follow along and create your own masterpiece. So, if you're ready to bring a little bit of magic into your day, grab your drawing supplies, and let's get started on this enchanting unicorn drawing together. Now, start with the face. Sketch out the shape of the unicorn's nose and mouth. Draw a curved line to form the unicorn's body. Add the flowing hair by drawing the unicorn's mane. Draw two pointy ears on top of the head. Place a majestic horn right in the center of the forehead. Sketch the legs and hooves. Extend a graceful tail from the back of the body. One of the most amazing things about unicorns is their ability to create sparkles and rainbows with just a flick of their tails. Add details like the eyes. Complete the drawing by adding twinkling stars around the unicorn. Now you can color. Use your favorite colors to bring your unicorn to life. While we often picture unicorns as white, they can actually come in a variety of colors, like pink, purple, and blue. Unicorns are known for their playful and gentle nature, and they absolutely love being around kids. Subscribe to my learning channel and remember to like, comment, and share my videos. Outline the entire drawing with darker lines, to give finishing touch. And there you have it. Your magical unicorn is ready. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my learning channel and remember to like, comment, and share my videos.